for me, yung bagong camera. You know, I love taking pictures and just kind of the pictures. So I'm excited to see, you know, how clear and, you know, how improved you come.
Same camera. And syempre, yung battery life, because it has really improved. Kasi ako, hindi talaga ako, nakakalimutan ko lagi mag-charge. For sure, marami makaka-relate sa akin. Pero, yeah, yun yung na-excite ko. And definitely, again, the camera.
Now with the improved battery life, kaya makalimutan mo mag-charge from morning till night.
Yes.
Kaya-kaya. Okay, napag-usapan natin yung taking picture na. So when you're traveling or when you're out and about, sino yung mas nagtitake ng picture or yung mas nag-post? Sino yung parang, yeah. Ikaw yung mas nagtitake ng picture niya. O, baliktad.
Ngayon si Kobe na po yung, natututo na siyang mag-picture.
Natututo na.
Mga pang-OOTD ganyan, natututo na siya. Medyo, di straight lang. Medyo nakaganyan lang. Pero natututo na po paunti-unti. Pero like random pictures si Kobe po talaga. Pinapicture niya yung paintings kasi hindi po siya sa art. And, you know, just random things. Pero natututo na po si Kobe.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, so